online presentation has never been so important in the history of mankind since the pandemic has hit us so hard. Now, to do an awesome presentation, as much as you need some speaking skill, the way your contents look is also very important. So some of you corporate world professionals are probably looking for a solution that's more advanced than any conventional presentation maker, yet very simple and easy to use. So if you're one of those, or maybe just a random student who's trying to impress his crush teacher with an awesome presentation, you're in the right place. Because today we'll be taking a software called SOOM that can help you create awesome presentation in minutes, just like the one you have seen. The video will be divided into sections. In the first section, I'll show you guys the basic features of the software, and at the end, I'll show you guys how I made this awesome intro video using this software only. Let's now get started with the download and installation. So to get started, go to soom.us. Now click on free download. Once the download is finished, you can simply install the application like any other application. Once the installation is done, you will see a window like this where you can sign up, and the quickest way to do it is by signing in with Google, where you won't need any password. So we'll just do it. Quick reminder, this application works well with webcam, so if you don't have one, don't worry, because you can use your phone as a webcam with a few clicks via the USB port. The link to those tutorials will be in the description box. So after we have successfully signed in, we have two options as followed: create new video, import presentation. We will quickly get started with the import presentation option. So suppose you already have the PPT made for your presentation, so just click here to import it. It'll take a few moments and it will be imported. So once the import is complete, please connect the camera and you are pretty much ready for an awesome presentation. Now click on Start Now, and in the speaker tab you have a bunch of options. First up, we'll set a nice background for the meeting. Just one click and it will remove the messy background with fantastic real-time accuracy. It almost works like magic. You can select both dynamic and static background from the recommended page, and as you can see, they have a pretty large collection. You can also upload your own custom photos and videos as the background option from the My Library option. Once we have selected a nice background for our meeting, we'll get to the speaker tab again, where we have a bunch of options to customize the look and feel of our video. For example, you can set the transparency of your video. 100% is always better. Then if you want to look beautiful, just turn on the beauty mode. You would instantly look meeting ready. I think this feature would save a lot of time for the ladies. Oh dear, they have made my face slimmer. I don't want this for myself. Also, here we have 10 different filters that we can use for our face, which I think will really be helpful to blend our face onto the artificial background. Pretty awesome, right? So this is how you can customize your look and get ready with your awesome presentation. Now let's say you don't want to occupy the full screen while you present the slides. SOOM gives you 4 flexible options for this. So if you want to remove the slides and only show yourself, just click on the first option. The second option has you as the majority of the screen, and the slide is the secondary thing in the picture. The third option lets you be at the corner of the slide. Here you can customize your position and the window. Also, in this position, if you want a transparent background, you can do it. If you want a round corner, you can do that too. And if you want a square crop, that too is available. Also, you can change your position and be at any corner of the video. Isn't that absolutely amazing? So this is how you can basically get started with SOOM and turn your boring PPT into an awesome presentation in minutes. Now let's say you don't want to make your PPT, you just want to present some images and some bullet points. You can do that too with SOOM. So first off, select the theme you want. Now start adding images you want. If you don't want to add images, you can simply write bullet points and present them. And the best thing here that you can change your theme any time of your work progress, and all your bullet points and the images will stay the same. Now to save your work, click on the 3 dot of the top left of this application and click on Save. And this is how you can save your work progress and use them later. Now for some reason, if you do not find your images on the screen, just click Refresh Camera List. And now from the camera list, you should be able to use the camera you want. Also, if you guys get started with this application, I highly recommend you guys to learn the keyboard shortcuts because these will come really handy in a presentation. And to live telecast your Zoom presentation, click on Start Now, then click on Meeting. Then go to your favorite browser or any meeting application and then select Zoom and present it. Also, if you don't want to do a live presentation, if you want to pre-record it, Zoom gives you that option too. Just click on record, do your presentation, just save the file and done. Okay, now let's have a look at the range of options provided for your look in the presentation. And let me tell you, they are fantastic. I think this software can be used to host even live programs, and it does a fantastic job at background removal without any green screen. And I think with green screen the software will just fly. Being exceptional at online presentation will help you look different from others and will help you gain some attention instantly. So to be an awesome host or a presenter, go ahead and download SOOM. The links will be in the description, guys. Go ahead and check it out, and we will end this video by showing how I made this intro using this software only. And as always, thanks a lot for watching. Asha kori abar dekha hobe.